Hey, Mia, long time no see. How have you been?
Henry, I've been good, just keeping busy. How about you?
Remember that crazy road trip we took in college?
Oh, how could I forget? Those were some epic adventures.
Have you picked up any new hobbies lately?
Well, I started learning to play the guitar. It's a work in progress.
Did you hear about our old classmates' reunion next month?
Yes, I'm excited to catch up with everyone. Are you going?
Any travel plans on the horizon?
Not yet, but I'm itching for a getaway. Any suggestions?
I stumbled upon our old photo album, The Memories.
Time really flies, doesn't it? Those were some carefree days.
Do you still have that embarrassing childhood nickname?
Afraid so. It's like a relic from our youth.
Heard you aced that project at work? Congrats.
Thanks, Henry. Teamwork pays off.
Remember when we used to have movie marathons every weekend?
Those were the best. We should do that again sometime.
Any new favorite books or shows?
I just finished this gripping mystery novel. I'll lend it to you.
How's your family doing?
They're good. Mom still makes the best lasagna.
I tried cooking your grandma's cookie recipe. It's not the same.
It's the secret ingredient. Love. You can't replicate that.
Guess who I bumped into last week? Jake from our old class.
No way. What's he up to these days?
Life's been a roller coaster, hasn't it?
Ups and downs, but the ride is worth it.
Remember our pact to travel the world together?
Let's make it happen. Bucket list adventures await.
Found a playlist of our favorite songs. Takes me back.
Play it at the reunion. Nostalgia overload.
Do you still have that goofy dance move?
Oh, you mean the one I claimed was a unique expression? Guilty.
Your wedding was a blast. Best day ever.
Yours wasn't too shabby either. Time of our lives.
How's your pet goldfish doing?
Sadly, Goldie went to fishy heaven. Got any pets now?
Did you ever pursue that dream of learning to surf?
Not yet, but it's still on the list. What about your dream car?
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.